Hi there, and welcome to Theydo's new Journey AI feature. Here at Theydo, we know customer journeys are the most powerful tool for business. We all understand the importance of customer centricity, but aligning business and customer needs across internal silos and fragmented tools can prove a massive challenge. Journey AI gives you a huge head start by turning your customer research into journeys with the click of a button. By converting your research into high-quality journeys in minutes, not only does your team get time back to focus on designing better experiences, they can also keep journeys alive and up to date easily, even as customer needs change and evolve. And since Journey AI works directly with your research interviews, workshop sticky notes, surveys, support tickets, and more, the output is 100% unbiased and authentic to the voice of your customer. Let's take a look at how to get started. In Theydo, from your main dashboard, you'll notice the building blocks section. Building blocks are fundamental elements that piece together to form a full picture of your customer experience. Let's zoom in on insights. These are bits of information about your customers, like observations, quotes, pains, gains, and needs. The magic of Journey AI is that it grabs insights from your customer research, saving you weeks of manual analysis. Let's get right into it. Click on Map a Journey with AI. From there, you can either start from scratch or start with a template. Let's choose the Customer Journey template. Now you're going to choose the persona that's playing a role in this journey. In the Map with AI section, you can either upload a TXT file or directly copy and paste any customer research you may have. If your research is in whiteboarding platforms like Miro, Mural, or FigJam, for example, you can simply grab your stickies with the drag and select, copy them, and then paste them right into Theydo's text box. Choose where the source originates from in order to give the AI more context and thus achieve better results. Give your research a name as well. And that's it. Journey AI works in the background not only to digest and spit back insights from your research, but rather to truly understand the customer experience as described by the person in your research. Your journey may take just a few minutes to generate. What can you expect from your AI-generated journey? You'll get a title and summary in the Journey Details section. You can also see when the journey was created and updated. You'll get phases and steps that come from the research you uploaded. You'll see your insights extracted and classified as pains, gains, observations, and needs. Key quotes will be highlighted, and when you open an insight, you'll see how we cluster certain quotes together in order to support it. But it doesn't stop there. A key part of Journey AI is enriching existing journeys so that you can keep them up to date as new information comes in. Let's say we have more customer research to add now to this journey. Click Journey AI again in the top right-hand side of your screen, and we're going to upload research from a different persona in order to enrich the journey. When you click to generate, instead of creating that original journey structure, the AI is going to bring in your additional content and fit it to your existing phases and steps. You'll be prompted to review and edit insights as you see fit before mapping them to your journey. By adding multiple research sets, we've now created a robust and high-quality customer journey. We're excited to see how Journey AI helps increase the speed and quality of your journeys to help your entire organization understand customer needs and make decisions outside in. Happy mapping!